everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another Misfits Market unboxing, so let's check it out and see what's inside. Before I get into it, Misfits Market is a company I've been using for so many years now. I used to receive a mystery box of fruits and veggies that were considered misfits. These are the ones that the grocery stores thought were too big, too small. Sometimes they had spots on them. Just something about them made them not grocery store desirable, but they still tasted great. So I was able to get a mystery box at a deep discount, but they've kind of morphed into now they're just a market. There are still some misfits you can buy. I think I might have gotten some misfits in this box, but I also got a bunch of grocery items. So let's see what I ordered. Here is your first look at this Misfits Market order. First of all, we have some organic blueberries, Brussels sprouts, kiwi, avocados, zucchini, which seem a little on the small side, some purple sweet potatoes. I love these so much. If you haven't tried them, I highly recommend them. And a bag of regular sweet potatoes. Next are the grocery items. I got these in another order and they're so delicious. Hot honey flavored sweet potato chips. This is another one I order quite often. This is their odds and ends cinnamon bread. It is so good. Another tried and true favorite for us from Misfits Market are these butter croissants. We slice them up, add some prosciutto and cheese, and warm them up. These are delicious. Next, I wanted to try these sardines with preserved lemon, sunflower butter Sun Cup minis. The last item is dry roasted pistachios. We've also ordered these in the past. So good. That's it. That was everything in this Misfits Market order. If you are interested in trying Misfits Market, I will have a coupon code in the description below, so be sure to check that out. And that's it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.